Hi grade 7s, this is Mrs. Du here. Welcome to our very first lesson together online. Today is a day 6. So what'll happen during our break or our time away from school here is that every day where you are supposed to see me for math, I'm going to be uploading a online video lesson. And some kind of formative or summative little assignment for you to do, usually just your homework. I want to try to keep this as close to our regular classes as possible, but one important thing is that we will be using the OneNote app. We'll be using the OneNote app to learn together, okay? So this video is going to have two things. One is for me to show you guys how you can get access to our OneNote class notebook. Give you a tour around here. And the second thing is that you have to upload a homework screenshot of your chapter 5.1 to 5.3 quiz. Remember those few questions that we did on the last day of school? It's just for you to try out the app to make sure it is working for you. It is not for marks, but I need to know that you are here, and that's how I check your attendance, okay? All right, so let's get started here. How do you even get here in the first place? Well, I took a screenshot of the invitation email you will get. So if you go to your school email, so make sure that this is your email that ends with @caisbv.edu.hk. Okay, so log into that email and you should have gotten an email with an invitation like this. It says SharePoint app has shared a file with you. So for you guys, the file is called Math 7A, or if you're in a different class, then Math 7B or 7C. Okay, so you've gotten one of these emails, and that's what that'll say there as well. Math, let's say 7C, if that's your class. You click on it, you can click here, or you can click open, whichever one. And then what it'll do is take you to the online app for OneNote. Okay, so this is where it will take you. This is my online application here, and it is part of your OneDrive. It is part of all the Microsoft activity files you have through the school. So what I'm going to do here is I actually clicked on Open in App. Okay, so right here where it says Open in App, I don't know if you guys can see it. The reason being is that the app works a lot faster, okay? So if you have the app available, either if you are using a tablet or you're using a Mac, then you can download the OneNote app on your device, and it'll make things so much faster, okay? But either way, you can also use it on the computer as well. So this is what our space looks like. Once you go in here, you have all received an invitation for your specific class. I'm going to use 7A as an example, but 7B and 7C classes look exactly the same, okay? So a few sections I want to go through with you guys here. These top two, collaboration space and content library, this is where I'm going to be posting information for you. Collaboration space is a place where you can all contribute to. Okay, so the first thing I would like you guys to do when you log in is click on collaboration space. So just right here, and click on homework help. The very first page says who's there. Your task then is to just write your name. So for example, Matthew has visited us here and he wrote his name Matthew. Right beside it, anything he posts here actually has his initials right beside it. Okay, and that's for all of you guys. Your initial will show up beside anything you post on the collaboration space. So that's the first thing I want you guys to do. Just write your name so I know you've made it here. All of these pages, I have designed it so that if you have any questions about your homework, you can write it here. For example, from chapter 5.1 to 5.3, let's say you had a homework about question 5.3, question 23, okay? You can just type in something like, how do I do it? How to do this question, okay? You can even take a picture of your own work so that maybe we can all look at it and see, okay, how do we do this? And I'm not the only one that can answer this question, okay? All of your classmates can contribute to your question. so that if I'm not available to answer right away, you can still work with your friends on this, okay? So all of these sections are available. Don't delete a question after you have asked it. It will help other people as well. So what Matthew had done here is he added a picture of his homework. So that's the second thing I would like you to do, not to add your homework here. So I'm actually going to remove this. Okay, don't add your homework here. The second thing I would like you guys to do is click on your own name. So I'm going to use actually, I'm going to use Matthew as an example. So for me, all of your names show up. For you, only your own name will show up. Click on your own notebook. Click on homework right here. And right here, I have asked you to submit this 5.1 to 5.3 quiz formative. Right here on this page is where you can insert a picture of your homework. Okay? So this is a page. How do you insert? You click on insert up here. And then you can click on file, or you could click on picture. You can even just take a picture straight from your laptop. Okay? Or you can do it from your phone, anything that's easy. But I just ask that your homework be legible. So for example, for a page like this one here, I would love for your camera to actually face your notebook, okay? So it should look something like this. This is the spine of your notebook, your question 1, 2, 3. I can't read this, okay? So for something like this, I'll give you an annotation saying, can't read. Re-upload. Re-upload, please. Okay, now when I leave annotations on your page, so I'm going to click out of Matthew's name, go to my content library, go to homework. It doesn't affect the homework page I have assigned for you, and it doesn't affect anything else here. Okay, all of your classmates, they cannot see your work. You're the only one that can see your work. Once you have submitted it, you can go back the next day to check, okay, what did Mrs. Du say about my homework? Is there anything that's right or wrong? So on and so forth, okay? All right, second thing I want to show you, third thing I want to show you guys is where our lessons are going to be. So each day we are supposed to have math. I would like you to go to Content Library and click on Class Notes. This is where our lessons will be. Our first lesson is going to be in 5.1 to 5.3 review. So I will do a lesson over here. I will do a lesson here, and I will upload a video link explaining the lesson. I'll try to keep my videos short, around 10 to 20 minutes a day. Okay? Make sure you watch the video, and then I will assign your homework as well, and I will push a page to you to ask you to submit your homework. And again, that you will see under your own name under homework. So the first thing I have here is a click me under class notes that kind of tells you how to use Math 7 class note. I will upload the video, which I am filming for you guys right now. And then to go to collaboration space, homework help, write your name on who's there. And then the third thing is to upload your homework. So this information is right here. I will also post your homework answers. Okay, so this is just the place where you can check the answers. When will they be posted? Well, of course, I'm not posting the answers before you submit. So they will be posted about 24 hours after the homework is due. Okay? I would love for you guys to actually use this homework help space, though, if you have any questions about your homework, to ask it here first before checking the answers. All right? So that we can work on it together. Now, what happens if you have questions or can't seem to access this page? Well, you can always email me. So I think most of you guys have my email already, but just in case, you can email me at dooe@caisbv.edu.hk. Or, of course, you can message me on PowerSchool as per usual. Now, you might have questions about, for example, what if I don't have access to a device? I can't watch videos very easily during this time away. I'm still going to post on PowerSchool here the homework that will be due on each day. You can always, again, just email me. Okay, email me your homework, and I'll try to get the video out to you as well, but it just won't be as smooth and quick as if you were to access the videos on our joint class notebook. Okay, Again, the videos for each day, video lesson for each day will be posted under the lesson page itself. So the links will show up right here. Okay? Alright, so that is everything for now. I hope you have success joining it. Make sure you are using your school email to access the notebook. Good luck!